Android phones have share the same features like OLED display, fantastic octa-core processor, large battery, but the 2-day battery life is the stuff of legends since the advent of modern smartphones. Power saving mode is only saving grace, but as you know, with power saving modes, you cannot use 90% of your phone. It will not be a smartphone anymore; it will be a dumb phone. Android 14 has a new beta feature which will bring a few phones closer to the legendary 2-day standby mark feature, which is wallpaper dimming. Android 14 Beta 3 dropped a few days ago, and it includes bug fixes and new features in equal measure. One of them is a slight tweak to the battery saver, making the wallpaper dimmer than the rest of the UI when the mode is enabled. All the app icons and other glance widget on the Pixel phone remain at the set brightness. The effect is noticeably lighter on vibrant wallpapers. Before this change, you will have to resort to extreme battery saver mode or digital well-being service bedtime mode to dim the wallpaper for you. The focus is now on improving the battery life at the standby stages. This draws inspiration from the extra term feature of the Pixel phones. So this will be pretty common across the Android UI. But it depends also, because Samsung has their own version, Xiaomi has their own version, Honor, all the companies have their own version of trying to boost the battery. Maybe if when Google implements this on the OS level, others will also make certain changes also as well.